Whoa guys, did you think I was gonna leave you hanging there? Assalamualaikum, apa kabar? Komana kopi as always. And I know guys that you've been messaging me and sending me videos for more MotoGP videos, and I was like, okay, this is gonna be the last day that we're gonna do some MotoGP review. You have sent me some of them, and I was like, guys, we definitely have to check them out. First of all, you've been sending to me this old lady that during the rain in the MotoGP, she was like using some black magic air bending avatar shit, not shit, but I mean like avatar style techniques, and she stopped the rain. So we're gonna check it out if it's true. But you were sending me a lot of stuff, and I have these top 5 moto moments where I see things of that Thailand guy that I was telling you on the yesterday's video, MotoGP. So we're gonna check that as well. So let's get straight into it, guys. Make sure you leave a like, subscribe, you click that bell, and let's see some magic. So guys, let's check first the top 5 moments, Moto2 moments, yeah? So this is not the MotoGP. So Moto2 and MotoGP is different, okay. I guess MotoGP is like the actual real one, and Moto2 is like the second league. I got you. Okay, Coleman Dixon stumbles after crucial overtake. This, guys, is where that Thailand guy won. Oh, there was a crash here as well. Dixon goes down. But it's just a slide, it's not like Marquez. God damn it, guys. That one was brutal. Let me see again. It's gonna. Yeah, it was replay. Guys, it was like inches from the back motorcycle biker to hit him on the head when he was sliding. Number 4, Ogura slices his way through the field. And so far, 20th on the grid to come through to, yeah, I think so. It's that's the guy, Somkiat Chantra, had won. Thai guy. From 21st place on the grid, picked up 15 spots. Oh, look how he's just like chilling. Acosta fights back after a long lap penalty. God, I think so. We saw Acosta on Sunday crashing his motorcycle on like Saturday practice laps.
Yeah, he did this. He had a bit of a dummy run yesterday. It was pretty dirty and slick and greasy in that long lap penalty. Acosta drops back in. He was in
he went for a
place
pit stop, I guess.
First sector when the last 2 Moto3 world champions having a pretty hot battle here in the Moto2 world championship.
Yeah, that's brilliant. They even touched freaking bikes together. See. So it's not gonna be like a crash something. Yeah, it's not.
He is inside the top 10.
Damn it.
Now that's class. Vietti up the inside of
Vietti about. They were saying something about Vietti.
Vietti
couldn't see
the inside line as we go left once again. Vietti now up into second place.
That was a bold and brave move by Vietti.
Okay, so is Vietti gonna be second place?
The top of the world championship. Celestino Vietti takes a hard-fought second place.
Yep, second place, Moto2. Alright, so we have MotoGP and Moto2. Yeah. Chantra makes history. This is the Thai guy, guys. From Thailand that I was talking about. Not previous MotoGP video, but the previous one. I didn't know what I was saying. Or maybe it was previous one. Yeah, it was previous one. So he's the Moto2 winner.
Right now, if Somkiat Chantra wins this Grand Prix, what a boost this would be for Southeast Asian motorsport in Indonesia. Second, surely this is now
he's been like first guys from I think it's like 10 laps or something like that. He knows how to navigate around the lap, and as well, damn, 23 years old, and as well like has the fastest lap as well. That's sick. Well done, man. For Thailand, it's really huge, guys. Usually, as I see, it's just like European bikers that win this kind of tournaments and races, but not here. This one was Thailand. So there we have it. Now we're going to the main thing, guys. Why you clicked on this video, yeah? Sorry that clickbait you a little bit, but let's watch this real rain bender. We have it. Okay. So this old lady, she has a freaking pot, and she's singing in the rain.
It's a pity, and also
let's see if he's gonna stop, guys. If he's gonna stop, I'm gonna be like,
with wet but normal condition, because
maybe I'm gonna believe in like
Motogp bike on rain, but
that culture that you have, guys. Even though I see it in a lot of music videos, you know.
Much experience in the wet, they just put a setting that they tell
He's
you
ringing
will work.
the bowl, and in the bowl the raindrops fall in, and all the guys, look at them, all the riders are like, what the hell? What's is going on here in Indonesia, guys? What are they doing? Some kind of black magic? Look at them, bikers are laughing.
Also then say to me, go out and enjoy, because we don't know anything, so also for me it will be my first time, and yeah, I'm waiting.
Seriously, guys, I saw a little bit from the live stream that was on last Sunday, and I just caught the moment that the camera was on the president, Jokowi, and it was raining. I didn't watch any other bit, but I didn't realize the rain was gonna stop by a woman singing and trying to grab the rain.
3:15 on race day Sunday at the Indonesian Grand Prix. The entire pit lane is giving this lady an audience here.
Well, to be honest, let's hope this works.
Desperate times and all that.
Yeah, even the announcers, you know, the commentators are like, let's hope this works.
Race that we've all come here for.
Let's see. So I think so. He cannot stop, guys. After her walk, she just walked. She walked from one side of the pit stop to the other side.
The bigger issue we may have, in addition to the obvious.
And she did. Damn, some dark voodoo potions that you have over there, guys. But I'm sure, guys, you're not gonna like stand a chance in front of my girl. Of course, like you're gonna like challenge her, but it's gonna be tough. It's gonna be really tough. I'm not like she will have you as mentors, guys. You know, like these women, wherever you are, she's gonna pay you to teach her, or just come there and be like, teach me, guys. One other thing, last thing that I'm going to show you that I saw, and I was like, this is going to be like a nice flashback as well to add into this video. This video right here. The last time we visited Indonesia, 1997. The year my brother was born, 2 years after I was born. And it was another MotoGP, as it looks like. Let's see where. Nice to see how it started over there.
Indonesia welcomed the FIM Motorcycling World Championships for the first time ever. The whole country seemed delighted and committed to such a venue. The second round of the 1996 season was a colourful party.
Oh, it was 1996 when that little girl was born. So it wasn't that time, okay. At least this time wasn't raining.
Country
fucked up the world, guys.
And committed to promoting its virtues to the outside world by organising top-class major sporting events.
Where was this though? It was an Australian, I guess. Let's see.
Indonesia has been always kind to me, very nice. Also,
who is this guy? Yeah, he sounds Italian. Biaggi.
Miles ahead of everybody else.
On the freaking front wheel.
Superlative stuff.
Yeah, that was one of my key races.
Max Biaggi, 1997 Indonesia GP winner.
The final part of the Grand Prix.
Okay.
It's always nice to be in Asia, and of course, Centur for me is a special.
Then
this is Alex Crivil.
I got the podium.
He sounds Spanish, this guy.
Tengo que recuperar del sexto puesto hasta el tercer puesto, o sea que estoy contento porque es un.
Yeah, he's Spanish.
First time there, and everybody knows about motorbikes. You know, they at that time.
Yeah, guys, I realized that you over there in Indonesia, not only Indonesia and India as well, because you are traveling so much with your motorcycles. You know so much about, god damn it, and it's just such a big area of land that you have. And I guess what easier way maybe, because it's cheap as well. What easier way to just like travel around, and you're learning from that. So you're gonna teach me as well.
Numbers 1, 7 and 65.
How they just like doing their legs like this,
yeah, well,
and then
I have a lot of
turning.
Remember,
Loris Capirossi, okay.
In Centur, I finished on the podium with
he finished on the podium as well.
Class. Today is not possible crash. Finish third position is very good for me. Also for Yamaha, for Nielsen and my team.
The fancy.
Guys, imagine this was freaking 26 years ago.
Yeah, I remember.
26 years ago. Just imagine that. What the?
I finished the race on podium. That was something very positive.
Thanks to my mechanics, thanks to everybody where helped me, and I'm happy.
Okay, so I see, guys. As you can see over here, 125cc. So it's the horsepower, I guess, the power of the bikes. You had the 150, 125. I think so. Now it changed a little bit. It was like the Motogp and the Moto2. I don't know if there's anything else, but so slowly I'm going to learn.
Personally, me, I had a very bad experience because
500cc.
I was in hospital in the United States, in Rochester, Minnesota, and I had to go to Indonesia. So I remember it was a terrible trip for me. And once I get there, it was so hot, and I was really not fit at all.
Freaking bike.
Traffic lights, they changed
power.
the green, the charge is on.
It was a nice experience, but for me, in that condition was really tough. I remember this.
In Indonesia siamo stati molti anni fa, io correvo in 125 nel 97, il pubblico era veramente tanto, anche avvicinarsi al circuito era pieno di bandiere, era pieno di tifosi e anche quello che è stato poi il weekend
full of flags and fans, yeah, damn.
nel mondo di Valentino Rossi.
Valentino Rossi was from that time,
sorpassarmi
and
con una
he's still
facilità
riding,
e una
guys.
velocità che mi ha sorpreso e avevo visto che lui, come tante persone, aveva una dote più
What
forte
was
degli
the
altri.
time that
Questa è
he
stata la prima
won?
sorpresa.
Valentino Rossi, eh?
Acordarme de Sentul es grandes recuerdos, ¿no? Porque es mi
Jorge
penúltima carrera de
Martínez
mi vida.
Aspar.
1990 y...
It looks like, guys, just Spanish and Italians just win the freaking MotoGPs and all these races. Why over there? What the fuck? They're just suspicious, you know? Why not other countries? I just heard freaking Spanish and Italian here. Nothing else.
Però possibile del Rossi de sacat no he pogut, al final és tercer, però content.
Pero content. Pero estoy contento.
Affection from the fan. In that period, I was using a private Honda
Again,
bike,
Lucio
so I wasn't really
Cecinello.
fighting for the top positions, and I remember a lot of fight with the Japanese riders.
Okay, the Japanese riders were fighting. Huh? And this one is the new one, right? Yeah, Mandalika.
I think it's good to
sick.
come back this year because they need, you know, a GP because they like very much motorbikes.
The people are very friendly. There's a lot of passion about motorcycles.
Indonesian people, friendly and love motorcycles. I don't know, you guys. A lot of you that are watching my channel, when I see like your profile picture, like you're either gonna have like a motorbike photo or just a photo with like a cigarette and a coffee.
I think all the manufacturers there just have a lot of interest and Dorna make a good job. And to come back again at Indonesia is very special for everybody.
L'Indonesia è stato un bellissimo ricordo del 97 che quest'anno 2022 voglio tornare al più presto.
We finish, let's say, the era of Indonesia Grand Prix in 97 with a lot of good memories.
So after 25 years, they came back.
Now the layout,
25
the new
years.
track in Mandalika is
like, the new track is sick.
Fantastic, the place is beautiful. It's really
great
to be back in Indonesia because we have there a lot of fans, a lot of people really love the motorcycle, and for sure in 2 weeks we see the amazing Grand Prix.
Yeah, man. That was sick. I like that, guys. I hope you enjoyed that as well. Hope you enjoyed my reaction. If you did, guys, send this to all your friends. Freaking metalhead reacting to MotoGP content and kind of enjoy it, guys. You told me to react to some other like vloggers that do MotoGP content, but I was like, it's gonna be a vlog, guys. I don't think so. Reacting to a vlog would be a good idea. But this one's gonna be our last, guys, MotoGP content. Hope you enjoyed every single one. I'm learning more and more. You know, even though I know Valentino Rossi is still competing, guys, right down in the comment section below. And let's go back to our metal stuff, guys. From Friday, I think so. Have a good night. So, salam malam. Terima kasih for everything, guys. We're gonna come over there. My girlfriend is gonna be being taught black magic, and she's gonna be teaching you horse riding. And I'm gonna swimming and maybe like falling from waterfalls. Why not? Alright, guys. See you later. Peace. Never jump from waterfalls, guys, if you want to lose your girlfriend. Never.